Please like and subscribe.
This is going to be a close-up look at this item I purchased on Amazon haul. I thought it was cute. This is the packaging it comes in. All the info will be below, the link where I purchased it from. It's tiny, but it's cute. It's got a chain. Let me try to measure the item itself. It's about 1 inch. And then the chain itself is going to be a little 9 inches, making it about 18 inches total length. It's cute. I like it. A close-up look. I hope that I gave you enough of a close-up look. This is the locking. I think that's cute. It feels metallic, like an aluminum. I think it's cute. All right, that was a look at. Thank you. Bye.
It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.